Hi there! And today we're going to learn how to colorize in Photoshop in just 1 minute. Now, since this is a dark eye, we need to first brighten it. So create a curves adjustment layer. Take it all up, just like that. Now, select the mask. Press Ctrl Command and I. Take the brush, make sure the foreground color is white. And just paint on the eye, just like that. Now, let's create a hue saturation adjustment layer. Choose whatever color you like, but first, check Colorize. So, I'm gonna choose blue. Let's increase the saturation. Select the mask, press Ctrl Command and I. Take the brush, make sure the foreground color is white. And just paint on the eye, just like that. Be careful. Don't paint on the outside. Now, create one more hue saturation adjustment layer. This time, again, check on Colorize. Whatever color you want on the inside, I'm going to select that. I'm going to increase the saturation. Select the mask, press Ctrl Command and I. Take the brush. Make sure the foreground color is white. And just paint on the inside. Now, you can play with the hue saturation later as well. Let's go back to this. You can choose whatever color you like. You can choose red, you can choose blue, yellow, whatever you want. And you can add even more than 2 colors. Isn't that fun?